Okay, if you guys don't have a smart performance campaign running right now on TikTok, you are missing on a lot of money, right? I've been mentioning it multiple times already. We've already generated 116 purchases at $17 cost per acquisition. Right now, our budget is set to $1,000 a day. This is a ridiculously simple campaign to set up. All you need is a handful of winning content. That is all you need. When you set it up, turn on a display card. When you set it up, turn on a display card, an interactive add-on. You all should be able to see this, like you all should have this. Turn on the display card and put the display card to like whatever you want. I mean, like ours is set to 65% off limited time. Like that's our big sale that's going on for our dog bone rings. Set it to whatever is relevant for you. This is working really, really well for us right now. It might not work for everybody, but if you have good enough content, I believe that this is, and you have some data on your account, some pixel data, I believe this could genuinely work really well for you. Yeah, that's the addition. See you guys.